hardwood is definitely in the ground. The pine comes out super sweet. That one to the right there, I don't know what that is, an elm tree it looks like, is, you know, when you take your first stab into the ground, if you see the stump shake a little bit, you're like, oh yeah, I got this one. But after your third stroke and you don't even see that thing move up one tiny bit, she's in there. So that one over there is going to be a nightmare. Get this cut. This guy's cutting them as we go. Don't cut that one down. Again, I'm just here to stump it for him. And then he asked if I did grading and stuff and whatnot. I said, oh yeah. So we might be putting a circular driveway in for him. We'll see what happens after this phase. Shake the dirt out of it. After the fact that he cut it, I didn't want to get dirt all over his little stub that he was cutting off. Nice little crater that one made. Looks like a gravel-based material here. So it comes out of the stumps pretty well, actually. It's moist, but if it was wet, I'm sure it would be a little sticky. Got a nice pile of stumps going over here. Back over on this elm. Just had to dig all the way around it with the ripper and just keep stabbing underneath and loosening that soil. Because all the roots are cut. It's just basically soil underneath, holding it with a tap root. I got a big chunk of dirt under it. As I strain my voice as if I'm pulling it. Nice. You gotta do that. You gotta let the machine know you're working in here. Otherwise it's not gonna work with you. He's got a big pile of moist dirt. We'll just take care of that like so. Nice and easy. Don't want to fling no rocks into the road. Heavy little guy. We'll get her cleaned up. Toss her over here. Alright, we got the white oak, the big boy. Let's see what this one's going to do. The stump to the left there we're not going to take. He just come out and told me because of the his cable company. It goes right through there, the wire, so he didn't want to rip that out. It's the only cable he's got, obviously. This one hopefully doesn't give me too much trouble. It's probably the biggest one. Well, it is the biggest one that was on the site. But we'll get it, you know, just dig around it like all the other ones. Dig under it. Take your time. She ain't budging as far as wiggling when I do that. So we'll have to get all the dirt out from under it. We'll give 4 corners, like I said. Pull it through. Yow! Fucking Bronco right there, boys. Pick the machine right up. Just do some stabbing under it. Stabbing and wiggling. All you're doing is going right under it. It's just loosening that little bit of dirt that's attached to give you more breathing room. Because even after the roots are all ripped apart, the stump itself with the dirt is mega tons. Come around this end. We'll go through there. And we'll go right on up. Switch to the other side. Right, on the other side we got a little stump here. Well, it doesn't mean dig for those roots. Get this guy out of here. Go on this side. She's pretty much ripped up there. Oh, she's wiggling. She's a wiggling. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, let me back up, give this thing a nice tug. Come on, spit it out. You got a root over here. Let me grab it. There, she rips out. There, she rips out. I think I should be able to spin it soon. Give another stab right here. Oh, yeah, there's the spin. There's the spin move. Oh, yeah. You gotta cut this up to the center of the side frame. Then we'll work on that. Get the dirt out. Don't even know if I can pick this boy up. Might have to roll it. Above the ripper. There we go. get that dirt off. On to the next one. I don't know how the guy's gonna load these stumps out without a big machine. I don't know what he's got, but these things are heavy. Well, at least this one is. Most of them are all shook out and they're not that bad. But try to get as much dirt out as we can.